Are you facing issues connecting your Echo Dot to Bluetooth? This usually happens due to pairing glitches, outdated software, or signal interference. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problems on your Amazon Echo Dot. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure these basic things are taken care of. Make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect to, like a phone, speaker, or headphones, is in pairing mode. Keep the Bluetooth device and your Alexa device within close range, ideally within 3 to 1 meter. Make sure your Alexa device is connected to Wi-Fi. Now try these solutions. Solution 1. Pairing through the Alexa app. First, make sure to plug in your Alexa device and make sure to install and set up the Alexa app on your phone. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap the device's icon from below. It looks like a bulb icon. Now tap on your Echo device name. Here you can see the Bluetooth connection option. Tap Connect a Device option under the Bluetooth connection option. Now pair a device that you want. Solution 2. Pairing using voice command. Put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. Say to your Alexa device, "Alexa, pair Bluetooth," or "Alexa, connect Bluetooth." Alexa will confirm that it's searching for devices. On your Bluetooth device, look for your Alexa device in the list of available connections and select it. Alexa will say that your connection is successful. Solution 3. Deregister and set up. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon at the bottom. It looks like a bulb icon. Now select the device you want to remove Alexa from. Then tap the settings from the top right corner. Scroll down a bit. Tap Deregister. Confirm your choice by tapping Deregister again on the pop-up. Now set up the device again. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Hope your device is set up. Take some time to explore the app. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. And that's it. This is how you can fix Bluetooth connection problems on your Amazon Echo Dot. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.